Hey there, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today we'll show you how to edit photos text in Android so you can personalize your images in just a few taps. Open your browser and type edit text on image, then open the PixArt website. It's a great tool for advanced editing. Tap on upload image, then tap on browse. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines and select the gallery option. From the gallery, select the photo from your gallery, then tap Continue with your Google account. This loads your image into the editor. Sign in with your account to continue. This step is necessary to save your progress and access all features. Mark the area where the text is, tap Remove, and adjust the brush size. This helps clean up unwanted text before adding new ones. Tap Apply to confirm the changes. This locks in your edits before moving forward. Now tap on the photo, then tap Text. This opens the text tool for adding new content. Browse through the font options and select your desired one. PixArt offers a variety of stylish fonts. Double-tap the text to edit it, then tap Done. This lets you tweak your message until it's just right. To download the image, tap the download arrow at the top, then tap Download again. Now your edited photo is saved to your device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more handy tips.